Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money online using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online, but it can be daunting for beginners. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of affiliate marketing and give you practical tips for making it work. One of the best marketing techniques is affiliate marketing, where you can get paid to promote a business's goods or services in exchange for a commission. The commission you earn can range from a small percentage to a large amount, depending on the product and the commission rate. It's an excellent way to make money online because it requires very little upfront investment and can be done anywhere worldwide. To get started in affiliate marketing, you need to choose niches that you are passionate about. This could be anything from beauty products to pet supplies to software. The key is to select a niche in which you have a genuine interest, making it easier for you to create valuable content for your audience. Once you have chosen the niche that you are interested in, the next step would be to research affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche. You can find affiliate programs via simple Google search or affiliate marketing platforms such as ClickBank, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. These platforms make it easy for you to find relevant products and connect with affiliate programs that offer high commissions. When researching affiliate programs, it is crucial to consider the commission rate, the product quality, and the company's reputation. You want to choose a program that offers a high commission rate, has good product quality, and is reputable. This will ensure that you are promoting valuable products to your audience and that you can earn a good commission on them. After you have selected an affiliate program, the next step is to promote the products. There are many ways to promote products, including through your blog, social media platforms, or by creating YouTube channel. Creating quality content that is valuable to your audience and will encourage them to click on your affiliate links is essential. You can write product reviews, create tutorials, or share your experiences with the products you promote. It is important that you disclose that your content contains affiliate links. This is to ensure transparency and honesty with your audience. You can include a disclaimer at the beginning of your content or within the content itself. Another tip for succeeding in affiliate marketing is to track your results. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic and conversions. This will help you see which products and promotions are working and which are not, allowing you to make changes and improve your strategy. In addition to tracking your results, building relationships with your audience is essential. You want to create a community around your content and engage with your audience. This will help you build credibility and trust, leading to more clicks on your affiliate links and sales. It is also essential to keep up with industry trends and changes in the market. The world of affiliate marketing is evolving constantly, so staying up to date with the latest trends and changes is essential. You can do this by reading industry blogs, attending webinars and conferences, and networking with other affiliate marketers. Finally, it is essential to be patient and persistent in your efforts. It is important to note that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It will take some time to build a following and earn a significant income. It is essential to stay focused and committed to your goals and to continue to produce quality content that provides value to your audience. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a great source of income if you are willing to put in the effort. The key is to choose a niche you are passionate about, research affiliate programs, create quality content, track your results, build relationships with your audience, stay up to date with industry trends, and be patient and persistent in your efforts. With the right strategy, dedication, and hard work, you should be able to start a successful affiliate marketing business that could generate a steady stream of passive income. Now that you understand the basics of affiliate marketing, it's time to start implementing these strategies and see results for yourself. Don't be afraid to try out different approaches and find what works best for you and your audience. With the right mindset and approach, affiliate marketing can be one of the excellent way to make money online. By following the steps outlined in this video and putting in the time and effort, You should be able to create a successful affiliate marketing business that generates steady stream of passive income. So, start exploring the possibilities of affiliate marketing and see where it takes you. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be one of the most lucrative sources of income if you are willing to put in the effort. Remember to choose a niche you are passionate about, research affiliate programs, and create quality content that provides value to your audience. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.